At a young age, I was playing soccer and my tooth got broken in the front. And so I saw how quickly a dentist restored my smile. When I saw that, I said, this is what I want to do. I want to go into dentistry. So I went to the University of Detroit Mercy for dental school. Upon graduation, I enlisted in the United States Navy. Once I graduated, I joined a group practice for about 2.5 years. And once I did a little bit of a residency through there, I decided it was time to open my own practice. I opened my own practice from scratch in the year 2000 and eventually started growing it, doing cosmetic rehabilitations and implant therapy. My favorite part of being a dentist is being able to transform someone's smile and thus transform their life and build confidence for them. In our culture, when we talk to someone, we usually look at where the sound comes from, which is from the mouth. And so I think if you enhance somebody's smile, you definitely can enhance their courage and smile to become more confident in what they do. Outside of being a dentist, I enjoy my family. So if I'm not working and I'm not lecturing, because I do like to lecture and teach, I'm lecturing to other dentists. I've been all over the world, from Australia to Spain to Portugal to Germany to Poland, also being a key opinion leader and lecturing. So if I can share my knowledge to fellow dentists, that has been very rewarding to me. Now that I have my son and daughter-in-law in the practice, to be able to instruct and help them further their education and knowledge in dentistry, it's a dream come true.